here, and that too on a warm, sunny afternoon of December, and the day that we are here to celebrate Christmas. So great, lovely. The school is, a very hollow place without you people around. So it really feels good to see you here. So welcome again. I hope your paper went well today. Yes? All right, it was the last paper, so that's something. Right. So we're here to celebrate Christmas. Of course, as you know, that this session began on a very low note. Right? We had a lockdown. Even before we could begin, we closed down. And that's a very, very unheard of, unusual circumstance, I think, in most of our lives, in all of our lives, right? So we decided that let's end the year on a brighter, more cheerful, more joyous note, which is why we thought we'll have a little bit of a surprise for you at the end of your paper and at the end of the session, right? And Christmas is one such time where we are to gather together in joyful spirit, to spread cheer, to bring happiness into each one's lives. And just like you bring happiness into our lives, we would try to bring a little bit of happiness towards the end of the year, right? As Sneha ma'am here said, and as the beautiful carols that were sung over here, Christmas is one such time when we must reach out to those who need us a little more, those who need our help, right? And as you're aware, we had announced that this year on Christmas, we are adopting or reaching out to this beautiful home. It's a place called Jyoti Sarup Kanya Asra. It's somewhere right around the corner, so close to where you are, and probably not many of you knew about it. So we've decided to do our bit for the girls, because this is a home for girls. There are 135 girls over there, and they need all our help. And I would like to thank each one of you and your parents and all the teachers and of course our management, who have reached out to this particular home. As you might know, tomorrow we are going to be carrying all that we've collected, whether it's woolens or stationery or any other, or food items, whatever we're carrying, whatever we have lovingly gathered for these girls, the ones who need a little more help. We're going to be carrying those things to the Kanya Asra tomorrow. And some of you may or may not know this, but I would like to announce it over here, that we are actually adopting this home in many ways. And when the school reopens, we're going to do many more meaningful and engaging activities where we want each one of you to contribute, not just in terms of, let's say, cash or kind, I don't mean that, but contribute in such a manner that you can actually make a difference in the lives of these girls, right? But I would like to let you know, and it's my proud privilege to announce over here that Gil sir, our chairman, has decided to sponsor the education of at least 5 girls, if not more, and this will be an ongoing process. So these girls will be a part of Gilco International School also. So that's a beautiful thing that we are starting out with, although it's the end of the year, but we're starting on this note in a way on Christmas, on the occasion of Christmas, right? And so in case you have contributed, whether in cash or kind or not, you still have one more day. You can reach out and, send across whatever you wish to by tomorrow morning. Let's say it'll have to be as early as 10 o'clock, not later than 10 o'clock, because around 10:30, we are going to be leaving for this home, right? So that is what Christmas is. And we have coincided this drive. We've tried to involve each of you in this drive on the occasion of Christmas, right? So without much ado, because I'm sure you enjoyed the little bit of Christmas singing and all that. Did you enjoy all the beautiful songs? Mary's Boy Child, We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I mean, Christmas is incomplete without these things. So, yeah, that's what I want to leave. Just remember once again, Christmas is, yes, about celebration and singing carols, but the true spirit should not be forgotten. And that is to be heart to heart and hand in hand with those who need it more than others. And of course, with everybody else. And that's what I would like to wish you all over here on this occasion. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And let's hope the next year brings us much happier tidings. And we also want to close this year on the note that, okay, we may not have started out very brightly, but we're definitely going to end on a positive note because Christmas always sends out the message of hope. So this is what we're ending on, a hopeful and a joyous note. Merry Christmas once again and a Happy New Year.